Hello everyone. In this video, we will see one searching technique, that is sequential search. It is also called as linear search because here we try to search a particular element in the list sequentially, that is one after another. So this technique is called sequential search. So here the given list can be in any order, means there is no necessary that particular list should be in increasing or decreasing order. The elements can be in any order and we try to find a particular number whether it is present or not in the list. So here there are two possibilities, that is first one, if the searching element is present in the list, then our search is successful. And suppose if our searching element is not present in the list, then our search is unsuccessful. So now we will take one example and we will see how sequential search works. So suppose this is the given list of elements which starts from a of 1 till a of 10, and suppose we want to search whether 23 is present in the list or not. So this is sequential search. That means we will start comparing our searching element sequentially starting from first element. So first we will compare the searching element with the first number. So here 12 is the first element and we will compare that with our searching element. So is 12 is equal to 23? No, the condition is false. That means we will sequentially move to the next element. So now we will compare our searching element with the second element. So is 6 is equal to 23? No, again the condition is false. So now we will move to the next element and we will compare. So is 7 is equal to 23? No, again the condition is false. Next element is 10. So is 10 is equal to 23? No, the condition is false. So now we will move to the fifth position. So is 27 is equal to 23? No, again the condition is false. So the next element is 18. So is 18 is equal to 23? No, the condition is false. The next element is 23. So is 23 is equal to 23? Yes, the condition is true. That means our searching element is present in the list and it is at 7th position. So because our searching element is present at 7th position, there is no need to check further elements. So we can stop here itself. So this technique of searching element in sequential manner is called sequential search. Now we will take another example and we will see sequential search. So here is the second example, and suppose we want to search whether 45 is present in the list or not. So first we will compare this element with the first element. So is 12 is equal to 45? No, the condition is false. So we will compare this searching element with the second number. So is 6 is equal to 45? No, again the condition is false. So the next element is 7. So is 7 is equal to 45? No, the condition is false. So the next element is 10. So is 10 is equal to 45? No, the condition is false. So the next element is 27. So is 27 is equal to 45? Again, the condition is false. The next element is 18. So is 18 is equal to 45? No, the condition is false. So the next element is 23. So is 23 is equal to 45? No, again the condition is false. The next element is 77. So is 77 is equal to 45? No, the condition is false. The next element is 29. So is 29 is equal to 45? No, again the condition is false. So the next element is 33. So is 33 is equal to 45? No, again the condition is false. So now if you see, there is no element after 10th element. So you can say that the searching element is not present in the list and our search is unsuccessful. So in this way we can find a particular number in the list using sequential search. So there is another technique which is called as binary search, and we will see that technique in the next video.